Tom Knotek here with Marine Max Sail and Ski in Austin, Texas. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I have a pre-owned boat to show you that has super low hours. This is a 2022 boat by Harris, a 250 Sunliner. But before I jump into the video, just want to let you know that here at Marine Max, we are passionate not only about finding you your perfect boat, but about helping you sell your boat. So if you're looking for someone to broadcast your video on a YouTube channel that has thousands and thousands of viewers, you can list your boat with us. We'll help advertise it in different places online, and we'll help get rid of it for you. So that's what I'm going to do today, is show you this boat. It's not going to be here long. This boat is in great condition and extremely relevant, being a 2022. So come along with me, I'm going to take you through it.
First thing you'll notice is the tune wrap and guard. The Vantage product which we offer will help out with your tunes getting scratched and give it a very sleek appearance. For the power, this one has a best-in-class Mercury 4-stroke 300 horsepower motor. So if you're trying to get someplace fast, you're set, or if you're trying to tow a tube, a water skier, all good. Your bimini can be controlled with a power switch on this boat, no manual operations needed. As we board the boat, notice this telescoping ladder, which is a staple of the Harris product, very wide clad steps, and you'll notice that strategic angle for leverage when boarding the boat. Imagine a boat where elegance meets maximum seating. This Harris boat floor plan is the center walkthrough, maximizing the area in the middle of the boat while also giving you the most seating around, with 2 jump seats in the front and the back of the boat. And with so many people on the boat, you know you'll need plenty of phone chargers. You'll have 4 cubby holes with 2 USBs in each one. As we make it to the helm, you'll notice that big 9-inch Simrad screen for instrumentation, as well as digital throttle and shift for smooth shifting. One feature we love about stepping up to a Sunliner is this retractable armrest, making sure you're always in the highest level of comfort. A cool feature on this boat is a table you can store away, or you can break it out and use it if you need to put it out for some appetizers, and 4 additional cup holders on top of the 10 already on board. And if you need 2 additional cup holders in any specific spot in the boat, you're set with this portable cup holder. As far as your guests' belongings, you'll have storage almost all the seats. You'll have an in-floor storage that you can store things like skis or anything that's a little bit longer, and then you'll have a little storage compartment under this area. Another cool solution worth noting is the quick fender release system, where you can have your fenders at the perfect height every time with a quick snap in.
Thanks again for coming along with me to check out this pre-owned brokerage boat. We have plenty more from where this came from. If y'all are looking for different types of options, please don't hesitate to contact me at 512-774-0866. This is Tom Knotek signing off. Hopefully catch y'all on the water someday here in the future, or here at the store.